What's up, boss lady crew? Back with another video. What's up, y'all? Did y'all see that flower I just made? I'm gonna get into this video by showing y'all how I made this flower for the girls' room. Yes, the girls' room. My daughters, my baby who is 7 months old, and I have a 10-year-old baby. So therefore, I'm just showing y'all how I made these little beautiful flowers to go on their wall in their bedroom and how I remodeled their bedroom. Because remember, I was telling y'all in the first video how me and my husband bought a fixer-upper and we just been fixing it up room by room. So what y'all see me doing right now is just, it ain't even got to be a perfect circle or a perfect leaf. You just draw what you can and just cut it out and then paste them on the circle. Don't put them on top of each other, just like center them in between each other so it can make it look like it's a whole lot of flowers. Just cut them out this little paper that I got, this little fluorescent, how you say it, fluorescent paper that I got, and just cut your little leaves out, cut them all out. All together, I got like 4 papers stacked on top of each other so it'll go quicker. That's basically what I'm doing. And after I cut them out, I just stick them on that little round circle. I had lost the footage to where I began to stick them around the circle, the top of the circle. I just got it where I'm doing it like close to the middle, like. But y'all see what I'm talking about when I'm done cutting out these little leaves or whatever. But this flower came out so beautiful, y'all. You have to try it. Not only that you can put these in little girls' room, you can also, you see these at baby showers. Girls be having them at their baby shower. They have them, on a wall when they doing like a little photo backdrop or whatever. I just, thought I should do it differently because I seen this paper. I was like, this would be a nice little flower. You know what I'm saying? So I just put my little glue stick in my little glue gun and just, stick them in between each other. Here, there. And then after I'm done, I'm like, what would be cute in the center is these little pearl things that I got. I got like a bunch of beads and glitter and stuff. Like, I'm like, yeah, let me just do something different with these little flowers. You don't see a lot of people doing too much different things with these little flowers. So let me just show them something different. And I just came up with the idea of just, doing it in a different way. But it's other tutorials on YouTube, but I'm glad you came to mine. And so just stay tuned. Keep watching the video, y'all. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, hunty, welcome. Yes, ma'am, no, ma'am, yes, sir. Welcome to Boss Lady channel. You officially with the Boss Lady crew. And see, the people that's old to the channel know every time I show a before picture of my house, I always give them a DIY before I show them, the after results of the room that we just finished. So yeah, right now I'm giving you all a DIY of a flower that I did for the girls' room, just like I did my dining room chairs to match my table. I showed you a before picture and of my dining room, what it used to look like, and the after results after we was finished with the dining room. So yeah, like I said, if you're new to my channel, welcome, honey, and subscribe and click that notification bell so you can get all my little videos of what I'm doing to my house and decorating. I don't just decorate, I do hair, nails, makeup. I do a lot of things on my channel. I cook. But if you want to see my family channel, y'all gonna have to go over there and subscribe to the H Gang, y'all. Y'all gotta subscribe to the H Gang. And y'all will see my whole entire life on that channel. But over here, I just show you what Boss Lady can do, what she doing in her free time and spare time. When I'm by myself, when I don't got the kids around me, or if they are around me, they doing their thing. But yeah, like I said up here and said, I'm just gonna show y'all what their room used to look like, and I'm gonna try to be specific of the things that I did in the girls' room, cause a lot of things I did make, You know what I'm saying? Or refurbish, you know. But yeah, y'all like that flower? It's cute, ain't it? Oh my God, I love it. And this is the before. See where all them little speckles at? That's where we had to do the drywall at. My daughter's rooms was atrocious. It didn't even have no carpet. Now this is the after. Y'all remember my last video when I had did the girls' closet? This is the lamp, the chandelier me and my daughter made together. And that's the crib that I made for my baby. It got like a little tutu skirt on the bottom of it that we put down there. It used to be like an old brown looking color. And I just painted it white. Even the little changing table. And I painted the whole room, but my husband did the drywall. And I just painted, and I did her desk. And I got that desk off for, I think somebody was getting rid of it. As well as, yeah, follow my channel, Boss Lady Simone, on Instagram, and my Facebook, Simone Holloway. Yeah. Now y'all see what I did with them flowers? I put them on the wall. Yeah, me and my husband did a good job. Teamwork makes the dream work. I tell y'all this all the time. It don't take much to do to make something look good, honey.